Yo, what's up, guys? We're back with another video. It's your boy Ben Saglum Benny. Just in case y'all didn't know how to say it, but you don't gotta call me that. Just call me Ben. But today's video, I'm gonna be taking you guys through my shoulders and calves workout. I recently switched to a new split where instead of doing your regular push-pull legs, I take my shoulder workout from my push day and put it to its own day, and then I also throw in calves. So on my first day of the split, it is chest and triceps. Day 2 is legs, so just quads, hamstrings, all that. Day 3, arms, so biceps and triceps. Day 4 is shoulders and calves. So I thought I would show you guys what I do on a regular shoulder and calf day. So yeah, let's get into it. I'm gonna do a little voiceover, and let me know if you guys like this style of video or if you guys like my eating videos. Whatever you like, I'm gonna start doing more of. So with that being said, let's get into it. Yo, this is gonna be an ASMR. Just kidding. But this is gonna be my shoulder and calves workout. Starting out with a dumbbell overhead press. We're gonna do a little voiceover here. Had the 30s, a little light warm up here. Then we grab some 45s. Once again, it's very light warm up. I wouldn't recommend just jumping straight into your working sets. Definitely get some warm ups in. And we got 60s. I was just gonna feel them out, see how they felt. I believe I only do 3 right here because I was like, alright, I'm going up. These are the 65s. I wanted sets of 10 reps, but I believe this set I get 9 reps. I think I do around 5 sets of shoulder press. Shoulder press is a great shoulder exercise, especially if you do it right, and it's very easy to progressive overload. Here, and then this is gonna be the fourth set, 65. So I think I got 9 reps the first set, and I got 8 reps the second, third, and fourth. Different angle here. Always better when you hit it at different angles, 100%. Yeah, I think this set I only get 7 reps, and then that's where I call it. So that's gonna do it for the dumbbell shoulder press. I ended up doing 5 sets total, 9, 8, 8, 8, 7. Now, to give my shoulders a little bit of a break, today is shoulders and calves. So we go over to the calf machine. Nice, slow, and controlled. As you can see, I'm not just busting them out like a lot of people do on the calf machines. On this one, I really like to focus on the stretch of the negative when I'm coming back. Just really like elongate the calf muscle, and I find that has given me the most growth is when I go slow and controlled rather than going like super fast and just putting hella weight on. If you're not getting up after a set of calves and walking around like this, bro, like I don't know what you're doing. Like, what is good with you? Because I don't know, my feet be hurting after calves, bro. Who does this guy think he is? Jesus. My calves have grown a lot, actually. I'm very happy with how they look. And back to shoulders. If you are not doing rear delts when you hit shoulders, you are bugging. With this one, I try to keep my elbows and I guess my rear delts and my whole just arms in like a straight line. You see how I'm forming like almost like a T with my arms and my body. That's what you want to do. You want to come straight back, keep your elbows up, don't bring them down. The more you bring your elbows down, the more you're going to hit your lats and your back rather than your rear delts. And the last shoulder exercise is going to be some lateral raises. I think I have either 25s or 22. I think it's 22.5s here. And I'm very controlled. I think this time I was trying to do more strict reps rather than cheat reps. It's probably cheating a little bit, but for the most part, I was trying to stay very strict. But that concludes the ASMR, and I'll get back to you guys in the outro, man. See ya. And yeah, that is my shoulders and calves workout. As you can see, I think I did 3 shoulder movements, 3 different exercises, and then just 1 exercise for calves. And for my calves, I did 5 sets. And for my shoulders, I believe I did 5 sets of shoulder press, 3 sets of reverse pec deck, rear delt flies, whatever you want to call them. Trying to build up the rear delts, you know. And the last movement was a dumbbell lateral raise, which is just the go-to shoulder exercise, probably my favorite shoulder exercise. But yeah, total sets did 5, 3, 3, so around like 11 sets or so. Not going too many because all my sets are to failure. So to get the best results possible, you need to really balance frequency, intensity, and volume to a point where you can recover. So for example, if you're doing too much volume, so like let's say I did 20 sets of shoulders, I probably wouldn't be able to recover and work out again the next day I have shoulders. I'm probably gonna lose a lot of strength. I might even be sore. So yeah, like I said, you gotta balance the triangle. Think of it like a triangle. Frequencies at the top, intensity, and volume. So you balance those to a point where you can recover perfectly fine, and you just repeat it whenever you hit that muscle group again, and then you make gain. So I did 11 sets for shoulders, but my intensity is very high, therefore I don't need 20 sets. Disclaimer though, I did switch back to a 3-day split. I'm doing a push-pull legs variant, but I'm putting my shoulder day on my leg day because I find I don't really need a lot of volume for legs. I can get away with doing less and I won't be very sore. So yeah, this wraps up the video. That was my shoulders and calves workout. And yeah, if you guys enjoyed, be sure to leave a like, comment down below for the algorithm, subscribe to the channel, hit the bell button so you get notified whenever I post. And yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Give me ideas, yo. I need ideas. You guys like the eating stuff, so I might do more eating stuff. But yeah, peace.